this is Dr. Kilgore from Dr. Kilgore's World, here to help you learn a little bit about order of operation. So our learning goal today is I can use the order of operations to solve equations. Our guiding question is, how do I solve equations with multiple steps and operations? So first off, I want to start about talking about the order of operations. We first start with step one, that is our parentheses or our groupings. We may have parentheses, brackets, or braces. We might have all of the above, but that's the first thing that you do in deciding what step to solve first. Our next step is the exponents. Now remember, in 5th grade we'll be working with a base of 10. If you'd like to stretch yourself for the level 4, of course, try this example with 4 cubed. Step 3, we look at the multiplication or division from left to right. Think first come, first serve. If the multiplication's first, I do it first. If division happens to come at the beginning, then I do that before the multiplication. And then step 4 is our addition or subtraction. Again, that's left to right, just like the multiplication or division. It's first come, first serve. So let's look at our strategies for order of operations success. First, remember PEMDAS when choosing where to start working. You are going to work one step of the problem at a time, copy down the rest of the problem, work another step of the problem, copy down the rest, and repeat that process until you are done. So now I'm going to show you the practice problems we're going to do together. I'd like for you to copy them down. So pause the video while you're doing that, and then come back and see if you worked the order of operations correctly when I switch over to working them. Okay, so here are our practice problems. Again, remember to copy them down on your paper, try to work them, and then come back and work them check your work with me while I work them. So let's go ahead and get started here. Our first problem is 5 plus 8 times 8 minus 5 minus 3. We use PEMDAS, so we start with the parentheses right here. Let's go like this. We're going to start with 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. We've got signs on both sides, so we can just copy the rest down. So parentheses done. We don't have any exponents, so we do multiplication and division from left to right. So we have 8 times 3 next. 8 times 3 is 24. And copy the rest of our problem down. Now we've only got addition and subtraction remaining, so we start from the left and work to the right. We're going to go ahead and do the 5 plus 24. That gives us 29. Copy the rest down. 29 minus 3 is 26. So let's look at the second problem up here. We don't have any parentheses. E is for exponents. That's 10 to the first power, which is just 10. Copy the rest of the problem down. And then let's go ahead and look at our next step. We've got addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So we're going to do this multiplication first. 4 times 3 is 12. Copy the rest of your problem down. We're going to go ahead and solve our 9 plus 12 next because it comes first on the left. So 9 plus 12, that adding 9 is like adding 10 and subtracting 1. So 22 minus 1 is 21, minus 10 equals 11. There are our examples for order of the operations. So make sure that you are prepared for class, that you understand the process of using the order of operations to solve problems. Make sure that if you had troubles with this, you bring your work so I can help you figure out where we need to make some adjustments to how you're working these. And let me know if you need some help in class.